All right, I just got out of my car to see what we have done with these 3 C7s. Tell you what, I got the chills when I got out and saw this. How cool is that? What's up, everyone? It's Saturday morning, time for Cars and Coffee. Let's go. Tall dark roast, please.
Anything in that?
Nope. Nope. Thanks. All right, so we made it to Cars and Coffee. I didn't film as soon as I got here because I was like the 3rd person here, so there wasn't much going on, but I've been here about an hour or so and the parking lot really filled out quite a bit. There are so many Corvettes here today, it almost looks like Carlisle. Let's go for a walk around and let's see what we see. So I'm just getting ready to leave, and look who decides to show up. What's going on, man?
That's politically correct for
being late, yeah.
Late.
What's going on? Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you, man. Everything that could go wrong did go wrong this morning.
Oh my gosh.
Murphy's Law. Yeah, I think he's leaving for me.
Oh, all right. You got a good spot.
Thanks.
All right. So if you guys don't know, that's JT from Carz Guyz, and I knew he was threatening to be here and I wasn't sure he was going to show up or not, but he made it. So we'll let him park and then see what's going on. Dude, that Laguna blue is gorgeous in person. Well, and on camera too, right? So this has to be probably one of the, I would say, greatest disparities in vehicles. And not hating on the Civics, but we have a Huracan here next to the Civic. See, so when you come out to Cars and Coffee in Malvern, you never know what you're gonna see, because you got this Huracan, you got this Olds behind me. Well, I wasn't talking about the man there. You got this classic 911. sport bike, and 2 Ferraris parked next to each other. That's pretty cool. You see all different kinds of cars at the Malvern Cars and Coffee. And the cool thing is it's all year round, right? So even in the winter time, there's knuckleheads like me showing up with winter parkas on and hats, because it obviously is cold here in Pennsylvania in the winter. But you know, when you're a car nut, what are you gonna do, right? You got to get your fix. And so even in the winter, we can still get our fix here. All right, so it looks like JT, A2rides, and I are heading out for a little impromptu photo shoot. They should let me go first, because you know I got the slower car. Trying to line these cars up so we can get a pretty good photo shoot going on. Carz Guyz got it. Gotta get that spacing. All right, I just got out of my car to see what we have done with these 3 C7s, and I tell you what, I got the chills when I got out and saw this. How cool is that? We got A2rides, we got my C7, and we got Carz Guyz, JT over here with his Z. And I'll put the link down below where you can see these pictures on Instagram, because they're gonna be awesome. Look at that lineup. Look at that lineup, you guys. Working hard to make our cars look good. Actually, you know, GM worked pretty hard to make those cars look good. He's gonna make them look even better though. Wait till you see these pictures. I have a feeling I'm gonna have a couple screensavers but by next week. Look at that, you guys. How cool. I may end up making 2 vlogs out of the last 2 days. Photo shoot vlog and the Cars and Coffee. And yesterday I watched it in preparation for Cars and Coffee. I got 2 pieces of content out of this one day. This is the fun stuff here. Look at this. It's like positioning the models. Feeling inferior in terms of my rear spoiler now. He's just a little guy.
That's good. That way I'll get your wheel on
that. So we've got my black Grand Sport. We have JT, Carz Guyz, blue Z06, and we've got Andy's A2rides Z06. Now, you're not going to hurt my feelings if you don't pick my car, but you know what question is coming. Which one of the 3 do you like the best? Don't worry, you're not going to hurt my feelings. You might hurt Andy's feelings though. No, man, they're all great cars, beautiful vehicles. They look so good in this lighting, this undisclosed location. Great backdrop. Joe's doing an amazing job. Again, link down in the description for his information. Just killing it. I think we're gonna reposition maybe 1 or 2 more times. We got to get the back end though. We got to get the back end of the C7 because it looks so good. All right, everybody, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel, hit that like button, and leave me some comments. I love interacting with other people that love Corvettes and cars just as much as I do. Till next time, see ya.